Welcome to health students watching. Let's take a look at test 1 together. For the first section, we have a matching section. You're going to write the letter of the correct answer in the blank. Let's look at A through H. You see your choices: calcium, endurance, exercise, 5 involuntary, 6 vitamins, and voluntary. Write the letter in the blank of your correct choice. You may begin working numbers 1 through 6. You can cross off each answer. It will only be used once and no more than once. Now let's take a look at the next section, fill in the blank. You're going to choose the correct word from the box below and write it in the blank. So your box contains the words balanced diet, carbohydrates, 8, fiber, fruit, iron, nutrients, protein, 6, and water. Not all of those choices are going to be used. You only have 6 questions in this section, and there are 10 of those words listed below. So 4 of them aren't going to be used. None of them will be used more than once, so you can cross it off each time you use it to help yourself narrow down your choices. Look at number 7. Sugars and starches are food, or in food are what? Write that word on the line, cross it off, and then you can go on and complete numbers 8 through 12. So complete all of these in this section. Now let's take a look at page 2. Turn to page 2. Let's look at it together. The first section here on this page is a true and false section. If the statement is true, write true in the blank. If the statement is false, write false in the blank. Read the sentence. Find the underlined word. Use that word to determine whether the statement is true or false. Complete numbers 13 through 16. Now look at the next section, the matching section. You can write the letter of the correct answer in the blank. There are 6 questions or 6 phrases in this section, and there are 6 choices. So each will only be used once and no more than once. So you can cross off that letter once you've used it to help you narrow down your choices. Begin number 17 through 22. Now let's look at page number 3 with our multiple choice section. You're going to write the letter of the correct answer of the word that would make that sentence true or would fill in that blank. So look at number 23. Eating what daily in a variety of colors provides vitamins and minerals your body needs to be healthy. What would that be? So think carefully and write your letter there in the blank. You may do numbers 23 through 30. Now let's look at our short answer. Here at the bottom of page 3 is where it starts. Our very first short answer is at the bottom of page 3. Why is water a better choice than tea or soft drinks? Give me a phrase or sentence that answers that. Now let's look at our short answer on page number 4. Look at page 4 with me. The first short answer, you're going to list 2 benefits of exercise. Use a phrase or a sentence to answer that statement or that question there with an answer for number 32 and then a separate different answer for number 33. For the next one, you're going to list 2 benefits of good posture. Phrase or sentence for number 34, phrase or sentence for number 35. Then for the next section, list 1 food for each food group. You're going to give me an example of each of those. You can just use a couple of words, 1 or 2 words to answer those there. Go ahead and finish the short answer here on page 4. Students watching at this time, you may complete your test. You may go back and double check to make sure that you finished all the sections. You may go back to any section that you need to look over again to double check your answers. Once you've completed your test and checked it, you may turn it in to your on-site teacher. Now let's take a look at page 2. Turn to page 2. Let's look at it together. The first section here on this page is a true and false section. If the statement is true, write true in the blank. If the statement is false, write false in the blank. Read the sentence. Find the underlined word. Use that word to determine whether the statement is true or false. Complete numbers 13 through 16.